Welcome to an exploration of one of YouTube's most beloved creators, Mark Rober, and his incredible world of science and engineering. Mark Rober has turned complex concepts into spectacular viral videos, making learning an adventure. Mark Rober is a former NASA engineer, known for his dazzling experiments and massive-scale engineering projects, bringing science to life for millions. His content spans massive science experiments, intricate engineering builds, and educational videos, all delivered with infectious enthusiasm. Rober is famous for tackling everyday problems with extraordinary, often hilariously over-engineered solutions. Think of his famous glitter bomb revenge device, or the incredibly detailed squirrel maze challenges, projects that combine wit and rigorous engineering. The core of his videos is the blend of real physics, practical engineering, and a dose of fun and playful humor that makes science approachable. Beyond the spectacle, every Mark Rober video is a lesson in disguise, fostering curiosity and intellectual growth. He excels at taking complex scientific principles and translating them into visually stunning and easily understandable demonstrations for all ages. A major theme is the real process of problem solving. The initial idea, the failures, the necessary iterations, and finally, the success. Rober's background shines through in the meticulous planning and construction of his massive builds. He routinely showcases the entire process of designing and building huge mechanical or electrical contraptions from the ground up. A critical part of his process, clearly demonstrated, is the continuous testing and refining of prototypes to achieve the desired, often spectacular, results. Mark Rober leverages his massive platform not just for entertainment, but for real-world environmental impact. He has been a key figure in major philanthropic initiatives like #TeamZs and #TeamTrees, mobilizing his audience for global causes. More importantly, he inspires millions of young viewers to pursue STEM fields by showing them how incredibly fun science and engineering can be. Mark Rober is a testament to how creativity and rigorous thinking can lead to massive global engagement. His unique blend of high production value, educational depth, and sheer entertainment value solidifies his unique place in online educational content. If you're ready for more science, engineering, and awe-inspiring adventures, be sure to subscribe and join the Mark Rober community.